Chumuri wita sene kia Ndizi TV ni gocaragire Chinsa Ikomi chaba na maragoba chinga kingu kwarigane atumanya mangana maya asenchera yo wenge eritaria ne Dorcas Kemuma na ni goto kubatanere feresta asoko ne kinga marege ne chibicha agwikire asenchera yo wikira no bogo tubwatia wetera asenchera ye mitandao asense moya Facebook otinye na Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube tubwatia na Ndizi TV News na boigo ase mtandao we website ni na www.ndizitv.net. Unanchire ya moyo kulinda ebintu bituitanene nigo umusacho yo mukuru ase chinsemo cha kyunganyo miye county ya Kisii esokirie nago chaka goturubura emetaro eliegwetia amache ya machafu ase akore atebira muna nigo emetare yo yabeireke gotichana mono ase nonya ya soire kolenta obonyenyeri ase chinsemo chiri abamenyete kolengana no musacho yo niga atebamuna nigo abeire kakuganya eserikali gwesokia na kubakonya gukora omochando yo gwikorende yabeire egekegetambe etaraika goika ase Chinsa mecho erinde nyare kubokonya egento kya muirete kwemukiye tambukiro erinda chake korosia ensemeyo koba enchenu ase bamenyete ase kiribate bire boigo mnanigo nonya nabana abose abali bakuru ase chiskuru chietenene ensemeyo babeire bagotumeka amacha yo yechisiwe cha machafu asekeribatere ngani gono nyabanabo bara asa kongoyo konyora amaruire koetera ase obunyenyeri bwa mache ayo machafu
nyora yiyezi so ba mache aya dai ko flo ba ga abu dai ga ya on na ye ba ne ru na ndosi ba ro se ya o so na se fle pare na mache aja ko ru aju ko agu chi kra sa ya di ya ko ta ko pare asa.
Okay. Bono ngoro kubauru nyamaya nchena mogenti piki ga sensema ya busongo lakini ngendo ngereka igage chakia naro rakerekebe kuna bone siku jinere ya tekete kororo ga sakoro gustav ngo trimba ga ya kari primary amona Kisii school siku jeyiga ekereko trimba go chimate abantu batamate kera machari yakeno kire mwaso abana bakabe school nigo bako bucha banyo ayandi babeka chicho ayandi besi bya magoro eyibone bwenerete county government yerore HT chasaya wetera abana bali bakabari matari ase school pia na barase pia na bare na Kisii kabana egende kega nigo bara to bucha kira retera abana borwe bachande baruare nandiki aberinga kintambe na nigo kire pare goroge koragana tari ngento kibisete gabana go sabi county government eichero rasaya enyatije abana tibanyoro borwere bwetera asaya noyena abantu bare kurumate batamaite bako bucha macha abaja irase muchengo mbamaite ngane sigweji atike tukorora bakanga kero kende na macha so getera kinne sigweji ayina rongo sabi county government yekore asobotija asaya asobwango abana abantu bari onyo noyena abantu bare bara lakini bata ikola kuana lakini bana tikantoja beke maiso marare amanye kanenga obocha bumbore borega gabora retera abana baitu borwere noyena abantu abanene bari batamaite noyena umuntu amanengo etari kwesangurureri yorora amatobe atamaite ngane sigweji narayumbwati
bakitawani jero mukachi jaza malitangko pension yabaro ndo mukachi gaiga ngene sesiwechi ndiwe kana kirina ko ndega sigere chisa cha mambi abana bakali infacti bako bucha macha babwit kira kinunu kitiko chimata babwa na machi baji kusiarere biras mo biri biras abana bakora wesi byobosi abantu osabusemo baba ngane siwechi ngobone ka government yali kotekeri action gwa abantu batararwa
ekamati eri kumulikira obotumikibwe nibo ya serikali ni gobono litukuria rero yakora etaro yabo wika ase eskuru yobundi ya Kisii ase baringe gukora guse kolingore gore botumike ase eskuru yo kolende imbaikirane team nigo batekirania eganga yabo ase ebanywana omwalimu manene obweskuru yo nigaba kagosira ase omwalimu yo obakagosira omanyekaine buna Mr. Danieli Nyariki oyo osira amatuka make aitire ase baboigo batuma chingora chabo ocha ase enka abasane amona abalimu naborokiwa beskuru yo ya Kisii Polytechnic.
First, we condole with the Polytechnic for the loss of their dear one, their principal, the accounting officer and we say pole. And in honor of that, we have not done the audit that we were supposed to do. We've just looked around and we've just inspected the ongoing projects. But we will come for an audit, proper audit, once all this is settled, once the school is calm, and once they've dealt with the burial of their loved one. So that's why we are here. So we are done and we want to go. Our responsibility as a parliamentary committee first is to ensure when we come to a school like this, we want to look at the challenges, establish what is ailing them, and propose how we can make this institution better.
Maiga ya serikali kurugo chikabuna chiskuru chinene imeyensetu ya Kenya abarikiwa babe bagotuma chibesa cyaba gose school fees witira asenjira yekerero iyo manyakaine buna e-citizen nigo abaseneta koro ase cya Kenya bono besokire na kugikiria engane yo ase batebuna tibari chigwancha obukurume gwa sanane wa asensemo yechiseme asekiri batebire umurubiro yo nigo batekirenga cyo chikokora ogoikirania obukurume sebono barire irabuna nigo barachigwika ase ekigambiro erigotenenie omurubiro yobo gwakana kibesa gwetera senchiraje mukerero
Msiwe na wasiwasi. Hii maneno ya kuja kusumbua wazazi na hiyo kodi ya shilingi 50. Kama Ruto hatasikia, mimi ni wakili. Tutaenda kotini na tutaisimamisha hiyo. Kwa sababu hatutaki kuongezea mzigo wananchi.
Heads of schools are saying they have not been consulted. The education stakeholders have not been consulted. President Ruto, we shall come for you if you force principals to go into one portal which already has leakages. We shall come for you and we shall demand that you demonstrate that.
Omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ligo litukoria lero amwarigane omurai bwense ya Poland yo oika osaigete abugoro ligo chaka esabari yaye ye matuka abire ase agochokora ase ensetu ya Kenya arachikoba amatuka abire ojo manyakemna Andres Duda ningabono aika amagacho ase tells momo yomucho Nairobi litukoria lero ase boigo abaga kwariganirwa goseka kwariganirwa buya no murai bwense seboigo bakwanira amagana ayosekanaine ebo egati yensetu ya Kenya amonense ya Poland sebono bakwanira igoro yogotinya obwamate egati yense ya Kenya amona Poland naboigo ngobigo yogokinia ebirengo by'uchumi ase ense yeto ya Kenya nigo boigo Duda arachi kogenda goika ase ense ya Tanzania seboigo akagaire gochikokara etaro yaye rituko ria ankyo.
Finance sector, banking sector, the so-called fintech, shared our experiences in Poland in the sector of e-banking, which is well developed in our country. It is one of the top levels in Europe, absolutely. So I shared all our achievements and experiences that we're able to share on this one. We also discussed, ladies and gentlemen, the development of the health sector here in Kenya, where Poland right now has a cooperation in this regard. I spoke about our experiences in terms of the construction of the Polish healthcare system. I spoke about the combination. On the one hand, we have got state-owned health service, on the other hand, private health service sector. And I also said how this is developing and how general access to health services is being given to the population in Poland. These topics here today are an element of contemporary activities, day-to-day activities, which we're implementing. Also in terms of development in Kenya, and these were the topics of our discussion today as well. These are the issues which we will be discussing also tomorrow. Tomorrow I will witness the work and the exercises of the local rescue services of firefighters, among others, where Poland is also sharing its experiences and supporting the development of Kenyan services. So we are active.
Abamenyi bensemo ya mradi eyo kutoka ime ya Embakasi East ime yo mocho Nairobi nigo bagendete komenya n'obwoba maiga yo muliro gotubukari tukoria ramisi eiki yaita aseri tukoria rero abamenyi benseme yo bate babuna nigo bagendete gotyokerera egasi eyo egasa ine kobichuka koro ase metungi ye chigasi ere asenseme yo egentu yabairera abamenya bo gwake gekuro oche ase gitasene kyabanyanyembo ime yenseme yo Embakasi eryo kolegia obokonye abanyimbo nigo baika esenseme yo ya murade na kubanekeria nga asabu ni gabono aribia bosemo chando onde to yogo sigasindite yo egosoka gwetera ase emetungeri etikarete asenseme yo nigo boigo balibe bagendete ko banyorete chingoma abasigwetera somo basoka no yubo moriro bagendete konyora obogweni ase chinyagitari ime yo mocho Nairobi chingakia serikali egendete gukora obotuke.
Siku ya leo tuliposikia wito wenu ya kwamba there is a problem ama kuna vile ambapo mnakusikia upande huu inahusiana na mambo ambayo tulipitia juzi, tuliweza kuita wenzetu au kumobilize the teams that are of concern, and particularly the team from EPRA and any other services that is required, ama huduma yote ambayo inahitajika kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wetu ambao wanaishi karibu na hapa watakuwa salama. Na sasa hivyo tumefanya upekuzi ama kukagua zile mitungi zilizobaki mahali hapa kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna yoyote ile ambayo iko na gesi ama it is pressured. All of them are empty, and I can assure you as your security commander in Nairobi that you are safe now within this facility. Kwa hivyo anytime, any minute, my calls are always ready and open for you for any support at any time of call. Kwa hivyo tufanye kazi na wale viongozi wa hapa mashinani na wale wengine wote ambao watashirikiana pamoja na nyinyi. Na ukipata habari na ujumbe lolote ile, hata kama utaweza kupeana mali hapa, just reach me from where I am. Mnajua ofisi yangu mahali nafanya kazi, ili tushirikiane na nyinyi kuhakikisha kwamba usalama wenu inadhibitika ama ni uhakikisho. Hiyo ni sawa sawa. Kwa hivyo nawatakia siku njema.
Litukoria rero nige komitukoro asebunge nene ekyombe kyokorwania obukurume kya ICC amone kyombe kyabanachi ebina litukorera bakora ekaro ase barenge gokwanera igoro yokorwania obukurume ime eyense ya Kenya ase kerenge kenene kyaringe igoro ngakibara koro obukurume obubwabere bokwene kwa ase chobis ime eyense yeito ya Kenya asama tukamaiga go abara ikoro ase Chinsa baba kogosoreria ebigambiro undase babire bagoteba mnani go bokurume basoire kwanekiwa ase ebigambiro egati ya yanda mange ayibono barachi goikirania asibatanigo eganga ya benene erengani go barachikwenekinga obokurume bwaerire ase nseto ya Kenya ase bari baranyorekane na mamocho yobokurume barachikumukirwa egetambukiro egetinde kerechiko.
Elections are coming and you are my biggest competitor of mine. I manipulate for you to be charged. I have a free fall to be the next MP, to be the whatever. Because the law says if you have been charged and if you have been investigated by EACC and charged by EACC which now has got prosecutorial power, assuming that it could be abused. Manipulation. If you have a CEO who's a CEO of EACC who is a coward, and he's told, wewe, shika who you charge you. You are done. Your political dream is gone. So when we talk of political rights for EACC to have powers of prosecution, we would love to have them. But also look at the wider, deep perspective. Politicians are here, and they will tell you it can be misused.
The fact that constitutionally, the only body that prosecutes is ODPP. And that is the answer to everything else. If you try to give powers to prosecute to any other body, then you risk breaching the constitution, and that has its own consequences. So as we imagine of EACC getting prosecutorial powers, we must also think about what the constitution provides, so that we do not, through an act of parliament, breach what our supreme law stipulates. However, we are looking into this. if it is to second prosecutors from ODPP to EACC, that is possible, and we may think of it. But remember, the investigator should not be the prosecutor. That is actually a cardinal principle of legality, that once you investigate, you give to a different...
Mwancho mwarigeria oroboti orugoro yokorwania bukurumi meyenso cha Kenya na rogo tukirio mweri wa mangana maye asenchera yowenge ayo mona yanda mangi na nyora asenchera yobukera nuchikoraga enseyemo yabono maragoba twaro burigere buya ime Ndizi TV na bobwansu bomogusi eretari ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo tobwatanere Felistas Kabedo na boigosara awbene kingamaruge ne chibicha gukira asenchera yobukirano.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Nakumbuka siku ile nilipopelekwa shule, nililia kwa kelele.
Lois Academy Kisii, yere milimani, angena milimani SDA, neskuru yekerero yoboruso, ibwata aborokia begiribuya, ire asatoerero, aborokiwa bagosomera, nigo babwete chigari chobo sombi, asebari bakurware, amache yuweshibia, na boigo kwenywa, chinyomba chakebara, chinchenu kegima, ribagarisa ine, yaborokiwa kukosoria, negukini byabo, mbabwate abarindi aseskuru iyo, na boigo nkurwa bali echai ya sanne na lunch kubwati bali omurubyo CBC ayerera bwango onyorali bakasi skuru yo omwano abegati yabali abake bakonyora migiryo yibrenko bigoro.
Hi everyone, my name is Victor Makoli, head teacher Lois Academy. In this school, we offer quality education and nurture learners' talents. In fact, this is home away from home. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Welcome all.
Nabukubakire simi asinamba enoti isano na ibere marakabire isano na isato isano na ibere ayemo gose enoti isano na ibere isato ibere ayeme noti. Lois Academy Kisii. Knowledge is power. Laboratory ya Dynapath nige bwate evidenko byeigoro byobokoreri bokorenka marwaire bagotumia technology yekerero nechi machine chekerero gwetera sobokoreri bwabo bya nigo bancheire nekeombe gia Kenya Medical Laboratory Tech and Technologist Board eliyokurwa bokoreri yobwo
sangweta kuno munarega kama elaptech from Dynapath Laboratories. Itari itomu na atori to kulida marwiri na malaria, kulida tori sukari, kupima blood pressure, kupima tori kidneys, kupima tori liver function test zonse laboratory.
Nkuru baro bokoreri buna microbiology, clinical chemistry, hematology, cancer screening, histopathology, naboigo korenka amarwiri buna HIV, brucellosis, gose oburwiri bwa mabere, arthritis, nayanda mange, boigo korenka bale omubere bwensi, asamarwiri buna prostate cancer, asamange, batalire imeju muchobosongo, asamagacho asansora complex center of Capital Roundabout angena National Bank kusoba kiresimi.
Najali afya yako, usigoje kuungua ndiposa ututembelee.
Dynapath Laboratories,
A legacy of excellence.
Ine omwanchi omurigereria nomanyete buna ebesa nere ekogendia ensi ebesa yago neri yorionde na chichikoretwa amo chionjorerigwa erinde kwanyora keri utagete nere onyora keri atagete
ebinto biria bikogera gwasigi kyumutwe nabyo naitwe bitobole tichitoro
na kigekogera egetaseni kia Ndizi TV na boigo na inche Frida Kerubo twirule gokoretera omurubire bwense yobonchereria asitogo kumanya naki ebesa gose eshiringi ya Kenya egendete gosigikania neki shiringi chinde ase Chinsa chiri cheisiko
unabono ogukina kwa maguri yebinto ase chichiro okobora kwendagira obosombi okobora kwembura na uchumi koira nanse imeyense ya Kenya
nigo togochikukumanya asomorobere yega naki amagori amanya ale ase chichiro cheito ebinto ebia soira ase chichiro cheito naboigo togochikutarira chi county chonsi emerongo enena isano na ibere imeyense ya Kenya ase tokorigereria naki obonchereria bogendete gokorekana ase chichiro
ebi negati yebinke biria orachikwe manya na gukwanera asumurubrio wense yobonchoreria
nigo tugukumanya ase Chinsa chiri cheisiko na kibagendete gukora obonchereria bwabo naboigo na kibakoenana ebinto koru Chinsa chiri cheisiko na gutekeragaiga ase enseito ya Kenya
kera rituko ria Jumanne na Ijuma guchakire Chinsa nyecha mambia ime ya Ndizi TV ense yobonchoreria
Gasi ngokora ni yugo tichambagoro tigatara chamoto bongo korde gasi eiga kengo yango geti gwetira na temete kogenda ngatiga nkore gasi ya juakari yere gurubu y'abasibati gose toteba abakungu kanyora nganto kunyara na tima itingana kina igore twa kanyora nganto kunyara na
ai mwanto murigere ni chuma ndito kolende mungina no munyanya
to wake rimwe wakasa kwa lenza ngano ogutaka kwa guse
Waswahili husema siku njema huonekana asubuhi.
Yani